Welcome back to the stables. I'm Vinny, and today we are checking out this beautiful prestige Skylark lodge. Again, we've got our 2-car parking bay with the electric charger in the centre, a gigantic decking space, plenty of room to sit out in the sun during those warmer months. Follow me to your side decking. As we come up, we have your side expansion with your hot tub. It's sunken into the ground, so it's nice and easy to get in and out of. And again, we have the privacy shade going around to create a nice private space to relax in the hot tub. Coming through your main door, we've got a really nice entrance hallway, place to hang up your coats and to sit down to take off your shoes. And just around the corner, we have a really handy cupboard with plenty of storage, your boiler and your washing machine. As we can see with this lodge, it's a unique layout, something a little bit different from what you'd expect. We walk from your entrance hallway into your kitchen space. You've got the L-shaped kitchen with all of those appliances that you'd expect of a lodge of this caliber. The built-in microwave, oven with grill feature, and the wine cooler, fridge freezer here. Then we come over to your hob with extractor above. And again, your porcelain sink with the cooker instant hot water tap. And of course, the dishwasher. And through to your living area. There's so much space in here, plenty of room if you have guests over or a large family. Got the pull-out sofa bed, television point to this side, and lots of floor space great for children or pets. Your dining area is tucked away in the corner here, a designated space to sit down and have a meal as a family, with those large windows facing out towards the greenery. We will also notice, again, this lodge is triple glazed, perfect for the colder months like we're in right now, leading up to the Christmas period. Out your French doors, we come back onto this great size decking. Through your dividing door, we come to the first twin bedroom. There are 3 bedrooms in this lodge and the pull-out sofa bed, sleeping up to 8 people. Inside of here, we've got full-size twin beds, television point, and your wardrobe all built in. Just down the hall, we're going to come to the family shower room. Here we have the full-size bath, overhead shower with the rainfall head, basin with storage below, and your toilet. We've also got a heated towel rail. And onto your next twin bedroom, the exact same as what we've just looked at. And through to the best bedroom of this lodge is your master bedroom. This has a super king bed, so much space in here, more than you could ever want. Bedside tables, small dressing area, and here we have the barn sliding doors for your wardrobe. And the other side will take you through to the ensuite. Inside of here, again, we've got the storage, the heated towel rail, and finally, your large walk-in shower with the rainfall effect head. If you're considering luxury lodge ownership, why not come and check us out? We're on the beautiful south coast, a great location with fantastic amenities on the park. Just click the link below to find out a little bit more.